Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. In today's video we'll show you how to update the Skydroid G Series Assistant to the latest version. After updating, users can manually select the operating frequency of the transmitter, allowing more flexible wireless configuration and improved communication stability in different environments. If you want to manually choose the transmitter's operating frequency, the first step is to update the Skydroid Assistant to the latest version. As you can see, there are some differences between the old version and the new version of the Assistant software. The latest version adds a new wireless settings menu, which is not available in the older version. Therefore, the software must be updated before this feature can be used. First, make sure the transmitter is connected to the internet. Then open the Skydroid Assistant application. Once launched, the system will automatically check for available updates. If a new version is detected, simply tap Update to begin the upgrade process. Wait for the installation to complete, then reopen the Assistant application. At this point, the software has been successfully updated to the latest version. Next, power on the receiver. Please note that when changing the transmitter's operating frequency, the transmitter must first establish a connection with the receiver. Otherwise, the frequency settings menu will not be accessible. Once the connection is established, tap Wireless Settings and enter the RF settings page. By default, the system automatically selects the operating frequency. If you would like to manually choose a frequency, switch the mode from auto to manual. You can then select the desired operating frequency from the available frequency list. After making your selection, tap Save to apply the settings. Once saved, the transmitter will communicate using the frequency specified by the user. With the latest version of the Skydroid Assistant, users can freely choose the most suitable operating frequency according to their flying environment, helping achieve a more stable and reliable control and video transmission experience in areas with complex wireless interference. That concludes today's Skydroid G Series Assistant update tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about Skydroid products, flight tests, and drone equipment reviews, be sure to subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue bringing you more practical tutorials and drone-related content. See you in the next video.